Welcome everyone! I am doing the ASVAB Arithmetic Reasoning Practice Test. We're doing some questions. I'm doing 2 at a time in each video. So there's 15 in each practice set. There's 2 practice sets. So you'll get a total of 30 questions. And that means that's 15 videos. Just the arithmetic reasoning questions. So if you are prepping for the ASVAB or you just need some extra help with algebra, this is your place to do it. So starting off with question 1. If we have the absolute value of y minus 3 is equal to 3, what is the greatest possible value of y? So let's take a look. We've got some choices. So we're going to look at what we've got here. So we're looking at that problem. Y minus 3 is equal to 3. That's the absolute value bars around it. That means that the number is how many spaces away from 0 it is. So if you do this, you can do it two ways. One is to do this, drop the bars, set it equal to 3, in which case we just solve for y. And when we do that, you get y is equal to 6. The other way is to take the y minus 3, set it equal to a negative 3, but that's going to make it 0, which obviously we're looking for the greater possible answer. In this case, it would be 6, and that is one of my choices. You can see that is choice C. So the correct answer for this one is C. Let's take a look at the next one. We have 2 teams that are having a contest and a prize, which the prize in the box of candy, the members are winning, and the team will divide evenly. Apparently I can't read. If team A wins, each player will get exactly 3 pieces of candy. If team B wins, and each player will get exactly 5 pieces of candy. Which of the following could be a number of pieces of candy in the box? So, a couple of things we need to know. Because we have it being 5 pieces of candy in some cases, that means that my possibilities have to either end in a 5 or a 0 in order to be divisible by 5. And if this is evenly going in, immediately B would have to get knocked off because all the other answers have an end number of 5. Now with the 3, because it's 3 pieces, we need to think about divisibility rules. So when I take any numbers and add them together, if they add up together and then you can divide it by 3 evenly, then it's divisible by 3. If it doesn't, that's not going to work and it's not going to be divisible by 3. It has to be divisible by both of these numbers. So we already know B is out. If we add 3 plus 2, that is going to be 5. 5 plus 5, that's going to be 10. 10 is not divisible. 3 does not go into 10. So A is out. Next one, we have 4 plus 2, which is 6, plus 5 is 11. Again, 3 does not go into 11 evenly, so C is out, which means D would have to be the correct answer. And when I add 5 plus 5 plus 5, you get 15, and 3 does go into 15 evenly. So those choices are C for the first one and D for the second one. Keep an eye out for the rest of this test and so much more for ASVAB. And if you want, like, share, and follow for more. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok at YouWantAlgebra.